47 files scanned, 12 tests generated, 1 PR merged, all from a single terminal, 0 config, under 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install Claude Code with one command, explore any Codebase hands-free, and ship a complete pull request without ever leaving your terminal. And stay for the bonus. I'll show you the fastest way to create a PR you've ever seen. You're probably thinking, great, another AI tool. 20 minutes of setup, config files everywhere, and half the features are broken. Wrong. Claude Code needs 0 configuration. No project files. No extensions. No IDE plugins. Just your terminal and one command. So here's the problem most developers hit. They waste hours setting up AI coding tools, installing extensions, tweaking settings, reading docs. By the time the tool is ready, they've lost all motivation to actually use it. Claude Code flips that completely. Let's start with the install. Watch this, it's literally one line. On Mac or Linux, you run a single curl command. On Windows, one PowerShell command. You can also use Homebrew, Wingit, or NPM, whatever you prefer. Pick your favorite, and you're done in under 30 seconds. Once it's installed, Claude Code auto-updates in the background. You never have to think about versions again. That alone is a game changer compared to tools that nag you every week. Now let's log in. You've got options: Claude Pro, Max, Teams, or Enterprise. Those connect through your Anthropic account. But wait, you can also use a console API key, Amazon Bedrock, Google Vertex AI, or even Microsoft Foundry. Whatever your company uses, Claude Code plugs right in. Time to see it in action. Open your terminal, navigate to any project, and type Claude. That's it. No flags, no config. You're in an interactive session with Sonnet 4.6 or Opus 4.6 if you want the heavy hitter. Here's where it gets incredible. Ask Claude to explore your codebase. See how it uses glob to find files, then read to understand them? It built a mental map of your entire project in seconds. Trust me, this is so cool to watch the first time. Claude Code has 5 categories of built-in tools: file operations, search, code execution, web access, and code intelligence. It picks the right tool automatically. You just describe what you want in plain English. Now let's edit some code. I'll ask Claude to add a utility function. Look at that. It reads the existing file first, thinks about the best approach, then proposes an edit with a clean diff. And notice something important. It always asks for your permission before changing any file. That permission prompt is my favorite safety feature. Nothing happens to your code without your explicit yes. You're always in control. Coming up in a minute, I'll show you how to go from this edit all the way to a merged PR. Let's commit our changes. Claude handles the Git workflow natively. It checks the status, stages the right files, and writes a meaningful commit message. No copy-pasting between terminal windows. No context switching. Here's the bonus I promised. Creating a pull request. Claude creates a new branch, pushes your changes, and runs GHPR create, all in one flow. See the PR link right there in your terminal? Click it, and you're looking at a clean, well-described pull request on GitHub. Let me give you 3 essential commands before you go. First, Claude starts an interactive session. Second, Claude-P sends a one-shot prompt without entering the session. Third, escape, that rewinds the last action if something goes wrong. Those 3 will cover 90% of what you need. Quick recap. 1 command to install. 0 config to start. Full Codebase exploration, smart edits with permission prompts, and Git plus PR creation, all without leaving your terminal. Go try it right now. The install takes 30 seconds. Next episode, we dive deep into the agentic loop. How Claude Code actually thinks, plans, and executes multi-step tasks. You won't believe how it chains 10 tool calls together to solve problems you'd spend an hour on. Don't miss it. Subscribe so you catch it when it drops.